Hey everyone, I'm Kelly, and today we're going to make a fun puppet out of recycled objects. So dive into your recycle bin and let's get started. Today's puppet is using a laundry detergent bottle. We're going to turn this into a fish. I love it. It already has a handle, a nice good mouth, and a nice big body. Let's get started. For this craft, you'll need your bottle, some thicker paper. I like to use old file folders from an office. They're nice and thick, but any kind of cardboard will do, or cardstock. You also might need some tape. Different colors are really fun. Some drawing utensils, some scissors, and my favorite thing, some eyeballs. Did you know that actually bottle caps are not recyclable at home? So I actually just saved them all in my eyeball bin. It's great. Then you never know when I can use some great bottle caps for some great puppet eyes. You're also going to need a hot glue gun. Definitely ask an adult to help you out with one of these if you've never used one before. I use this quite a lot. It's a little dirty. All right, let's get started. We want that handle at the bottom so I can hold it to make my fishy swim. With your cardstock, we're going to start by drawing a picture or the shape of the tail. Always think big when it comes to puppet things. You don't want anything too small that you can't see from far away. And we want a nice big tail that will wiggle and waggle. So let's cut that out. I'll go kind of fast, but of course, take your time. If you want to look at pictures of fishtails, that would be a great idea. Because maybe you want to make a shark, or a whale, or a goldfish. It's totally up to you. All right, now we have a tail. It won't just attach straight like that. So I need to give this tail a little fold right there so that I have a surface I can actually glue to my puppet. All right, be careful with that hot glue gun. I'm going to just do one line of glue on that flat folded space. And let's see, yes, I want it to go long ways like that, up and down. Hold it, be really careful if it's hot. The thing with gluing to plastic is sometimes it can peel off pretty easily. So if you want a puppet that'll last a long time, maybe think of different ways to attach it. But also a good thing is if it peels off and you want to recycle this later, you can always peel those pieces off and still recycle your base. That's pretty awesome. There we go. Ooh, that's a good fishy wiggle. Let's see. Ooh, fish also have a fin up on top. Let's draw some shapes. All right, I want a fin on top. Maybe two little flippers below. And I say little, but do I make things little? Nope, remember, nothing is little in puppetry. Ooh, let's get that nice fin up on top. Ooh, I could do a shark fin. It's a little scary. Oh, let's do those two flippers down at the bottom. Here's a trick. If you want something that's exactly the same, two of the same thing, just fold your paper, you've maybe done this before, and cut it out. That way I get two things, the same size, and half the work. This is great. All right, let's see, I've got my fishy tail. Let's put that, fishy fin up on top. Remember that fold? So I have the flat area right there. A nice line of hot glue. Careful, careful. And let's put that right there up on top. Ooh, that's looking good already. I like this little fishy. Ha-ha! All right, I've got my two fins, maybe, back there, or should I put them into the side? What do you think? That's right, I kind of like it like that. But I also even want those to come off the body a little bit. So let's do a little fold there as well. My hot glue, just like that. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, fishy, you're almost done. This is a fast craft, isn't it? All right, and then the other one right there. Look at my fishy go. Blub, 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 blub. So for the eyeballs, this is where you can use your favorite bottle caps. Same thing. Because plastic to plastic might not stick very well, think of how you can attach it different ways different types of glue. Tape even sometimes can work. I am going to glue it down. I'm going to choose, how about one green eyeball? What other fun bottle caps do I have here? Oh, I got 2. That's kind of fun. 2 green eyeballs. Oh, I like that they're different shapes. That kind of makes them silly. All right, let's see. Let's put one here. I'm going to put a nice glob of glue so that it really stays. Blonk. And then another glob of glue. Blop. Sound effects help. Look at my fishy. Blah, 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 blah. It looks like it's going to kiss you with that fishy mouth. Blah, 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 blah. If you have some Sharpies, this would be a fun time. You can decorate it. You don't want to use anything water-based because it would just rub right off. So definitely ask your parents if you can use a Sharpie. Or you can always get some help. Other ways to decorate this thing is actually before you put on any of the fins, and if you have some colored tape. This is electrical tape, and it comes in a lot of different colors. I use a lot of black. And I can actually use this tape. Ooh, watch this. It's a zebrafish to decorate it. And I'm going to go all the way around. Ooh, that's a cool decoration. It is like a zebrafish. I could probably keep on going. You know what I am? I'm going to keep on going with some zebra striped fish. Stripes. Maybe if you want to, if you have some googly eyes, you could put them inside of your eyeballs there. Just remember, those are not recyclable. You can decorate it in other fun ways too. And then you can get a swimming. I hope you have fun. Have fun with your fishies. Blah, 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 blah.